Assalamualaikum. I am Zahid Froog with my channel Health and Safety Knowledge. Today we are going to study the significance and concept of health and safety culture. Health and safety culture is very important at all level of the organization. Now first of all we see what is health and safety culture. Health and safety culture is a distinctive field upon which relations, values and other important factors are considered in the organization. All organizations have a culture in written or unwritten forms because all the organizations have no standard form of health and safety culture documentation. On one level, this is to do with how the organization gets things done, and on the other side, the purpose of health and safety culture is to tell the people that how they perceive the health and safety culture in the organization. Now we define what is health and safety culture in a literally means health and safety culture is collectively efforts, beliefs, attitudes and distinctive fields for health and safety promotion at the workplaces. It is the result of shared attitudes, beliefs, competencies, perceptions, and pattern of behavior in the organization. Health and safety culture also determine the competency of the management in the organization. The safety culture of the organization is the way that everyone with the organization thinks and feels about health and safety and how this translates into their behavior. Now, after promoting health and safety culture in the organization, after this it should be in a dynamic phase, not in a static phase, because if health and safety culture is dynamic, everyone in the organization would be safe, and it depends totally on the higher management commitment. Now there are some factors that deteriorate the health and safety culture with the passage of time if proper check and balance is not considered about it. Now the next topic is topic focus, which would tell us what are the factors which would deteriorate health and safety culture. The first factor is lack of management leadership, because if the management is not interested in promoting health and safety culture, the health and safety culture would be ineffective at every stage. The other is presence of a blame culture, means everyone is putting blame on each other and not taking roles and responsibility of health and safety culture. The other is lack of management commitment to safety, for example, saying one thing and doing other things. Health and safety culture, if receiving lower priority in the organization, then health and safety culture would be deteriorated. Organizational change frequently or occasionally and not communicated among all the workers. This would also deteriorate health and safety culture. If there is higher staff turn rate in the organization, then the health and safety culture would be perceived as a substandard because no one would be serious about health and safety. Lack of resources, for example, too few workers due to downsizing. The next is lack of worker consultation, workers are not involved in consultation about health and safety matters, and there is no routine of toolbox talks and other general consultation about process safety development and work method statement development. The other is interpersonal issues, for example, peer group pressure or bullying or harassment. Poor management system and procedures are also playing their counterpart to deteriorate health and safety culture. The other is external influences, for example, economic climate resulting in difficult operating conditions. It means if the financial and economic worth of an organization is not outstanding, then health and safety culture would be deteriorated in the same way as financial situation goes in the symmetry order, because these two things are proportional to each other. If the financial condition is not good of our organization, then the health and safety culture would be on second priority. The people who are new on my channel are requested to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to receive daily updated videos. Thank you so much.